10. 200.
Oh, 200.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Can we go home? Good morning, guys, all the way from Indonesia, Batam. We are here now from Singapore. This is where we are. Okay, we thank God that we arrived safely. Just pay visa on arrival for Kenyans and you pay around 2,500 Kenya shillings. And it was so easy. But it was one of the countries that we got in and it was simple, easy.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Hello.
Good morning from Indonesia.
Yeah, we're in Indonesia.
Hi, Kazi.
Hi, Kazi.
Hi, Kazi.
One town.
Wase tunatafuta kashai. We sit where we are 5 people. 5? Yes, 5. Kujeni tuone. Guys, once you come here, you will realize one thing. Language barrier is a thing. Oh. Menu?
There's so much more waiting for us out there. There's so much to explore.
At Batam Lucky Mall, we want to cross the road. Gari zinaenda mbio, but hapa kwenye tuko, there is a zebra crossing. It's not far from where we were. Thank God hata tumewalk tujachukua Grab. English.
Yeah, the English little week. That is small.
Mall.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
That is. What we you go around nothing problem.
Okay. Wanasimama. Don't stop. Our men. Kwenda.
Wewe wenye unanunua mali ndio utajigaraiza. So wewe the customer kulipa na pia hata
It's quite a hassle. How are you? You're from Kenya?
I'm from Indonesia.
Oh, you're from Indonesia here. Your country is very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm even lost. Which bag to carry, which one?
The other one no need to pay. The example is like this one. You think this one and this one. This one 3 and this one. Different, right?
318.
This one like this, right? So this one you paying, this one no need to pay. So tick to pay only one.
Then we come back. Oh guys, we are so confused. I'm thinking of this one. Then I get another one for my grandmother. Oh, look at this one. Cute.
So much. So cute.
Buy one, get one free.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122,
million.
1,300,000.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you say, how are you? How are you in Indonesia?
Batam.
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 No, we are not saying where we are. How do you say hello?
How are
Hello.
Yeah,
how do
in
you
Ba-
say
In Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Dah.
Tak paham bahasa Inggris.
Oh,
Okay,
No
okay.
understand lah, sorry.
Oh.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
Tak paham. Sorry. Bye.
It's okay.
Oh, inasema boy. Nice. Sawa. The Indonesia man.
Hiyo ya pink, pink ama black?
I choose pink.
You do pink?
Choose the pink.
Me too.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah, I choose pink. Pink nigga
Pink ni poa.
Roger. This one.
Where?
Roger, this is 10. 20.
Yeah.
Date. This is 50. So 5, 6, 7, 5.
You want this one again?
Roger. 5, 6,
Oh,
7,
another one like this.
8, 9. Yes, another one like this.
Ah, baby. 4, 6, 8.
Take all of money.
Seriously,
Maku habis siapa?
10.
Yeah.
You want 200? And this one?
Yeah.
This is 10. This is 1.
Yeah.
This one 100.
100,000.
8.
150. 100. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 200.
Oh, 200.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Can we go home?
It's okay.
That money is done. How teach us how to count. One by one.
Yeah.
100.
This 100,000.
150. 60.
And 6.
160,000.
7.
7,000.
20. 9.
8, 108, 9. Yeah, 9.
4.
Oh, it's really giri.
8. 10.
I agree. True.
I give up. I
She's
go.
an accountant. If she has this, I agree.
Yeah, it's good.
I go.
Okay, thank you.
All our money. Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Kenya.
This is Kenya in Africa.
Yeah,
Kenya.
Kenya in Africa, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tunafaa tupige selfie na wao.
Please, can we have a selfie? Okay. Yeah.
Foto itu kan?
Sorry.
Ang ni ko ni Kiman ni ko to kaya kaya ro ko na kiri.
Lagi.
Ayo ko ba din mo sa bay.
Bitu mob. Hey guys, this is here.
Yeah, but can you think now, yeah?
How is it? You are happy?
I'm happy.
What can you tell us?
To us.
Let me tell you, Maina. I know. We're coming back to Kenya. Yes. Then this one cake for you. Plus the
Oh, show. Akishosha yangu.
thank you.
This building. So you go straight away. After that you turn. Only that one, the building, the big one, that one.
That one. That's the building. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye. See you.
Can you find the food? Your local food.
Good food.
Yeah, your local food.
I mean local food.
Yes.
Inside.
Street food around.
Street food inside there, but it's no halal.
Not halal. Inside that mall.
There's food. There's food.
Nice.
Which is the best can I try? I want to try yours. That you love.
Indonesian food.
Nasi Padang.
Nasi?
Nasi Padang.
Nasi Padang.
What does it have? Does it have meat?
Sweet rice.
Rice, beef, chicken, fish, anything have.
Nasi Padang. I go try that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes,
Bye. Bye.
Woo. She's such a good lady. I know. Adoa nyoba.
Adoa guys.
Ai, ilikuwa inanuka place nyingine tulikuwa.
Agĩkorwo gĩko gĩa Nairobi nĩ kĩnungaga warĩ na ngaigua kĩnunga ũguo ĩno cici Indonesia.
We are just Chicken, beef.
rice, chicken, beef, and salad in one box.
How much
One
for
box.
one? How much for one?
For one box is 45,000. Yeah. If you wanna take a 10 box, you get a special price 35 only.
Eh, ten ni moko ni nakana.
That's a better idea, more 200. Then kada ya tabe to idea more. How is it?
Is it a lot? That one is a lot? Many?
Yeah.
Many?
Many
Nama.
get some one person full.
What?
Yeah. One more enough.
Oh yeah,
One person.
Full.
Someone can get full, satisfied.
Yeah, I think
Okay, which one is local? Local.
but this is only for takeaway.
What about for dining?
We have package like all you can eat. All you can eat. You can eat anything in here in 90 minutes.
90 minutes.
90 minutes.
90 minutes. And Marasa service charge. Only for 90 minutes. Past one.
In 1% 200.
90 minutes, that's 1 hour.
1 hour, 30 minutes, yote ni mingi.
Tuko tumekaa hapa.
Sasa long.
By the way, they can actually 1 hour.
Hatuwezi kuwa. After that you do service charge or what?
Service charge is 350.
After 90 minutes, service charge.
Oh no. This is before second service for 1%. After second service 350 for 1%. In you can eat this like this package. This one. This beef. You can refill unlimited the beef and free flow for the buffet in 90 minutes.
Oh, in 90 minutes you're supposed to eat and finish. Yes. Everything.
So 2,374 person.
In 90 minutes you can
90 minutes. Yeah. 90.
1 hour and a half.
1 hour and a
I
half.
thought we could finish your time.
1 hour half.
And how much is the price?
How much is the food?
All per person.
Per
Per person. That's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
We have to pay before.
This one.
Maybe,
Oh, this one is takeaway.
Ugago tukanero. But you only pay some more.
Wow. You eat anything, what do you want for 90 minutes?
90 minutes. Siakira, it's 300 and something. But 2,000, that's a lot of money.
But that's a lot of money per person. Sikil hapa tutachaka like 10k.
370.
Lakini mpigi hesabu ya ukiitisha naweza kula hapo.
No,
Do you allow that?
You pay.
One is this buffet enough for all of us?
This price for 1%, only for 1%.
So maybe anyige muno. Hiyo pesa ni mob.
Hakuna hizo.
Not individual. So per person you must pay that amount.
Ya mtu.
Hizo pia ni. Akira giri dato. Kafato ya KFC. Ama?
Kapa tusoke kuria.
Tusoke ku. Korea tuma.
Apa tu kibanda?
Yani. Ratatia kibadaski.
Betul we can confuse. Mugetuma gara-gara.
Yani. It's getting hotter. You have what? Chicken?
Chicken kasih kari juga.
Oh. This is your menu? You sit here?
Wabe tuetie no emwe. Tuone ale hana. Then this chicken.
This chicken.
This beef.
Beef only.
And this one is
Chicken.
Yakitori like chicken.
chicken.
Japanese chicken.
Japanese chicken.
See what you are going to offer.
Okay.
Pikari yako. Ama tukae wapi? Na huko Recho. Hapa 2 tables. Ama to fix hizi.
Karibu.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
Tuonje ndio mtu aende hapo.
Kwa aje?
This thing.
How is it? It's nice. Okay.
Mbaya. Hii tunauma sisi wote itago. Rice, cherry.
Iko poa?
Hiyo make for poa.
Hii ni
Lakini
kuku.
ni spicy.
It's spicy.
Kidogo kwa mimi sijazoea pilipili so kwako itambi.
Hapa kuna kuku na beef. So I want to see the difference.
Chale hakuna haja ya kutaste juu.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a little bit
Yeah,
spicy.
tumesikia.
Spicy. What is this?
Ile kwani uonji.
Yeah, by the way. It's not bad.
It's good.
Itisha hiyo.
This one is nice.
This is the difference. China beef na kuku. But I guess this is the chicken. This is the beef. This chicken.
Imagine it's nice.
Tasted this rice.
Ni kitu mtu anaweza kula.
You apply. Hapana for today.
Umelipa nayo tena?
Bags, I guess maybe. Hizo shopping.
Bags ulilipa cash.
Oh.
Nimenyile mara tunao kwa hiyo wana soda. Hiyo wana siku.
Welcome to Indonesia, okay? And enjoy your trip in Indonesia.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Kenya kuna gates mingi. Indonesia. You can see people right there having street food. Their cars, they have very good cars. No? It's around 8 p.m. and we are walking. Security is perfect. Yeah. More street food. Boda boda riders.